Hey friends, if Windows 11 quick settings is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. So the first solution is to simply restart your computer. Why? Because when you restart your computer, it will reset or restart all the services, all the processes, everything. And this usually fixes the problem. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to restart File Explorer. Okay, so search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the processes to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then restart it. Next one is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and then click on Check for Updates. And the last solution is obviously an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.